Hello CS50, I'm Leonardo and I'm here to show my final project. It's a portfolio made for a friend of mine. He's an artist, so I made it thinking about something that can be constantly updated for someone that doesn't need to know how to code. It's a single page app that just uses JavaScript and no React or other framework or 30% library. So here we have the brief of the artist. So hello, his name, what he do, about me, the about me page as well, the project page with 3 categories: design, painting, and sculpture. That's what he does. So we can change here to Portuguese as well. So about me, home, and everything. Let's just come back to English now. Here we have the functional form to get in touch with artists, like you can tell here, Leonardo, test CS50. I'm going to let on the README some examples what the user receives as an automatic message and what the author will receive. Okay? But to make it work properly, don't forget to set fields on the settings. I let everything explained on the README as well, because I'm not going to leave my Gmail password on the project. All right, so it's sent now. It's sent. Okay, so how do someone can post a new project? If you create a super user using Django, we don't have a register page. If you create a super user only, you will be able to access and use the login by going to the URL login author. Okay, if you do it here, you'll be able to have new page, the new project. The new project, the instructions are in Portuguese because my friend is Portuguese. So here we have, oops, let me choose correct. All right, that's a beautiful image. So we have here CS50 test. We can choose here the title, the URL image, the border radius as we want. After that, we can change the font weight as we want as well. Select the category. But if you forget some step, don't worry, we will let you know. So I'm just here to, well, that's kind of painting because that's beautiful. Okay, save and continue. Here we are able to choose any title. Same happens if you don't type a title and try to save. It's going to let you going to show you an error message. Here we can choose as many texts as we want. Testing. We can delete it, insert a new text, but that will be on the order. Okay, we can delete everything, start over again, test. If you choose here image, you can change the size of it, but only if the image quality allow it so, because we don't want something like really bad quality on our portfolio. Okay, so we're going to increase or decrease the size based on the image ratio as well. You can choose it here. You can choose the border radius as well. Okay, so I'll just save and publish this one. Okay, so you'll be redirected to that part. I already did some other examples here, like different sizes and different borders, radius, so everything is here. This website is also mobile responsive, as it should. So let me show you here. If we log out here, just show you what happened, just a normal logout. Here I have the logged in version of the website. You have the same thing. You can copy the email. We can go to home page, the about me, the project page. We can change the language as well. Same thing happens. We can get in touch with the artist. We can create new projects, but let me just log out here, and that's how the user is going to see the project. Right, so that's my final project. That's a portfolio that can be constantly updated to someone that doesn't need to know how to code. So by posting any project, choosing a category, doing whatever you want, and giving him a kind of like a possibility to choose the border radius, the image, the font weight, and as many texts, as many images he wants to post. Right? Thank you very much for watching my video. This is my final project, and this is CS50. Have a great day.